What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. This video I want to show you some examples regarding solving quadratic equations using perfect square trinomials. In the previous video I talked about perfect square trinomial. If you want, you can go back and watch that video first and then continue here. So here the first example is x squared minus 10x plus 25 equals to 18. So first of all, I can say that answer is negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5, and negative 5 to the power of 2 is 25. 25 and 25 are the same, so it means that on the left hand side I have perfect square trinomial. So it will be x minus 5 to the power of 2. It's going to be equal to 18. Then x minus 5 equals to plus minus square root of 18. And then you have x minus 5 equals to plus minus square root of 9, square root of 2, plus minus 3 root 2. X will be 5 plus minus 3 root 2. So 5 plus 3 root 2 or 5 minus 3 root 2. Next example. We have 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 equals to 16. So as you see here, this one is 2x to the power of 2. So we need to have 4x divided by 4x will be 1. And then 1 squared is going to be 1. These two match. So that's the perfect square trinomial. So I can have 2x plus 1 to the power of 2 equals to 16. Then I can say 2x plus 1 equals to plus minus square root of 16, which is equal to plus minus 4. Then I can have 2x plus 1 equals to plus 4 minus 4. 2x will be plus 4 minus 1, which will be, one of them is going to be 3, the other one is going to be negative 5. So we have two possible answers. One of them is 3 over 2, the other one is negative 5 over 2. Next example is x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals to 12. Answer is negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Negative 3 to the power of 2 is 9. These two match, so that's the perfect square trinomial. So it's going to be x minus 3 to the power of 2 equals to 12. So x minus 3 equals to plus minus square root of 12, and 12 will be 4 times 3. Square root of 4 is 2, plus minus 2 root 3. Then x will be 3 plus minus 2 root 3. So one answer is 3 plus 2 root 3, the other answer is 3 minus 2 root 3. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding different topics in math and chemistry. Thank you and have a great day.